Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Shravani. So in today's video I'm going to show you one easy snack with suji. So chalo then let's begin. So for this let's take half cup of suji, 1 chopped tomato, chopped spring onion, chopped green chilies, salt and some pepper powder, also coriander cumin powder. Mix everything once. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add hot water gradually and make fine batter with it. Yeah, so the consistency of batter should be like this. Now let's heat oil in paniyaram mold. Then add the suji batter in every mold. Now cover and cook this for 3 minutes. Flip them and cook for 2 more minutes. Yeah, they are cooked perfectly. Turn off the stove and serve hot. So that's it guys. Our instant suji snack is now ready to serve. So if you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and stay connected. So I'm leaving the links for my other recipes. You can check them in my description box. So chalo then, see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.